Hello everybody, this is G. Angelo from Smart Raspberry, Epping, Woodford and North East London. Welcome to Raspberry Lodge. Today I am going to show you how to make a cherry lattice pie. Our ingredients are 30 gram plain flour, 30 gram wholemeal flour, 10 gram of caster sugar, 20 gram of cold butter chopped into small cubes, half an egg yolk, 1 egg beaten, 200 gram cherries. So these are frozen cherries and they are stoned. If you can't find cherries, I suggest you to use Black Forest fruit mixture or frozen berries can also work well with the recipe. I have 1 tablespoon of honey here, cold water, teaspoon of cornflour, and I'm going to use some lemon zest. Okay, all the equipment I need, I have my mixing bowl, I have a sharp knife, spatula, pastry brush, tablespoons and a fork, and I also have a grater. I'm going to bake my pie in this rectangle shape tray. You can use circular shapes, and yes, completely up to you, and you can also easily double the ingredients to make it a bigger portions. And I also have this lid, belongs to this foil, so I'm going to use this as a ruler. In a minute that you will see. Okay, so let's get started with preparing our filling. So for the filling, I'm going to get my foil in front of me. I'm going to put the cherries in. So I did not defrost the cherries, they're still frozen. I'm going to use them from frozen. So we have the cherries and I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of corn flour over the cherries. So just a teaspoon of corn flour sprinkling over the cherries. So this will thicken up the juice really from the cherries while it's baking. So that's the cherries, and then I'm going to also drizzle a tablespoon of honey over this. Okay, 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm just going to drizzle it over my cherries like so. So the cherries in the base, and then I sprinkle a teaspoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of honey over the cherries. Okay, like so. Yum. And also going to zest some lemon. Not a lot, just a little bit. Oh, smells delicious already. And tap, tap, tap. Excellent. Let's put these away, and just with my spoon, just going to mix it a little bit so the cherries all mix into the corn flour and the lemon zest, also the honey. Okay, so this is all I need to do to make my filling. Just put this aside, and I'll just put my cherries aside, and then now I can prepare my pastry. So we are going to make short crust pastry. Okay, now so 30 gram of plain flour, 30 gram of wholemeal flour, and 20 gram of cold butter chopped into small cubes. Using my spatula, let's put all in. Excellent. Okay, I'm using my fingertips. We did the crumbling method a few weeks ago. I'm gonna crumble the butter and the flour together until we create nice breadcrumbs, just using the fingertips. This is actually called the crumbling method. We're just going to do this until it resembles breadcrumbs. Okay, just like so. Squish the butter, mix it into flour very quickly. because the butter is in small cubes, this won't take long. Crumble, crumble. Excellent. Just keep crumbling. Shake my bowl and keep crumbling until I create my breadcrumbs, just like that. Well, you can of course use ready rolled or block short crust pastry. They are widely available in the supermarkets, so you don't have to do this part of the recipe then. You can just use the ready roll pastry sheets. But it's always fun to know how to make our own pastry. Okay, so I'm just looking into my bowl and I can't really see any butter pieces. They're all really nicely crumbled. As you see, it's like breadcrumbs here. And I'm just going to stop now and add my sugar. 10 grams this is. And then give it a mix. Okay. And half an egg yolk is all it is. Half an egg yolk. Just pour it in. Okay, and 1 tablespoon of cold water. So 1 tablespoon of cold water. Okay, so now I can always add more water if I need to, but I'm not going to do that yet. I just add 1 tablespoon. And with my hand, just going to be very quick and turn this turn this mixture into a dough. Alright, let's see if I'm gonna need any more water or not. Okay, just keep mixing. Okay, I'm just gonna dip my fingers in cold water and carry on. Room temperature affects the texture of the dough. So, and also we are using wholemeal flour. It does require more water than plain flour. So if you think that you need extra, just dip your fingers into cold water and carry on until you have your dough. Like I do nearly. So it's quite important to judge it right, so the dough is not too dry or not too wet. Okay, I think I'm quite pleased with how it's happening. You'll see in a minute. Bit of power, and I think I got my dough now. Excellent, there you go. Okay, look at this. Wonderful. Okay, so the dough is ready. Now I'm going to roll it. And also don't let it stick to the board, so just keep moving. Okay, and I'm going to cut some ribbons next. Alright, okay, just going to cut some ribbons using my lid as a border, I mean hold it like up around 2 centimeters. Okay, so let's see how many I can get out of this one. Alright, just cut some ribbons. Okay, let's stop here, and I can always roll some more if I need to. Put it aside, and then I'll cut this way so it's nice and even. I also cut this way. they're all looking neat, like so. All right, this may not be enough, but we'll see. We can always cut some more. I'm going to get my foil now, so I'm going to go this way and this way. So these are not really long enough to go long lengthways, so I'm just going to do the short ends first. So move one and just start from there. Then I lay one, and I leave some gaps in between, and I just leave more. Just put those in like so. I think I can just add one more here. Just one more. Okay, perfect. So now I need some long ones, so I'm just gonna cut some more. Let's leave these, so I might use it. So make a long sausage. Perfect. Just get some more ribbons. Don't let it stick. So I think this is long enough now. Perfect. So let's cut this. You can use a ruler if you have a ruler. Make sure you clean it first. Sanitize it. So I probably need 2 or 3 ribbons in this length. So that's 1. Okay, and 2. Forget one more? Yes, I think so. And 3. Okay, tiny teeny bits. Everything needs to be used. Okay, now I get back here. So starting from the top, you fold, stay, fold, stay, and fold. And oops, we put a very long one right in the middle, like so. And now we unfold them. All right, so you have under and over. Now, the ones you folded, they stay where they are, and the ones you didn't fold, you fold. So like so, you fold, stay, and fold. So another one, now it goes over here. And then you unfold again. You see what's happening? Just like that, like a basket shape. So there you go, and then you fold again the ones underneath. You'll see anyway, because it's just so clearly shown, seen which ones need to be folded. And unfold. There we go. So now this excess here I can cut off. And this one, it's looking good, right? So you understand what's going on. So you need to fold one, and then stay, fold and stay, and then you put a long strip, and then you unfold. Okay, and now just a little bit egg wash, just the pastry. And oven is preheated, 180 fan, 200 conventional, gas mark 6, and I will bake my pie for around 20 minutes in the oven until it's golden. And it's quite tasty with ice cream or custard or a little bit of cream or on its own. Okay, there we go, children. I hope you try this. It's easy to make. Maybe it takes a few go to get the design, the lattice design, but I'm sure you will be fine. Just try. and let me know what you think. All right? Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.